The tree is very pretty. Oh, it is!
Yeah.
Okay.
So pretty.
Oh, wait, should I plug
Janice! 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 Deborah! Valerie! Patricia! Depressia! Dementia! My necky! Janice! Deborah! Francis! Valerie! Patricia! Depressia! Depressia had a cane! Dementia! Janice! Francis! Deborah! Valerie! Patricia! Depressia! Depressia had a cane! Boy toy! We should all go to My Nucky one day and say, hi, I'd like some My Nucky. Okay.
The lady, she's staring.
Who wouldn't be staring? We're screaming, My Nucky.
Okay. That's a fair point.
Yeah. I'd be concerned about someone if they weren't.
I cleaned my bathtub / shower today, and it was a pain.
Yeah, I do that about once every 2 months.
It's
Once
like
or twice.
all the conditioner hardens, so it sticks, and so I have to use like a paper.
scraper.
I have to use a paper towel and then my nail to push down on the paper towel.
You can't get one of those like gum scrappers? Scrappers? No, scraper. It's a scraper.
How do you pronounce that?
Sheehan Drive. Welcome down to Sheehan Drive. I'm Bibble. Oh my gosh, did you ever watch that Barbie show on Netflix?
I did when I was like 7.
It's still on there.
Yeah.
And she's been binge watching them all.
Why?
Now she comes into class saying, hey everybody, get a load of me.
Raquel?
Yes. I can name all the Barbie people. There's Stacy, Skipper, Chelsea, Barbie, Ken, Ryan, Raquel.
I like Ryan.
Yeah, Ryan's awesome.
Yeah. I like Ryan and Raquel.
Squirrel! Oh,
You missed it.
okay.
Look at that
Fat
bird. It's so...
Obese!
Look at his belly.
Obese. You are obese.
Wait. I wanna listen to it real quick.
Bye, Janice, Francis, Depressia, Valerie.
Wait, I think I went da 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 da. And meanwhile, it goes Janice,
Francis, Valerie, Dementia, Depressia.
Oh, I know her. That's Jenny. Some of them pronounce.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Now how will they get into Thornton's?
Or
My Nucky. Or O'Reilly's Auto Parts.
they sell pots.
They sell parts.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello there. It's right here. Now I'm picked off, and I'd like for you to get out of my swamp.
Can you hold my phone? I need to tie my shoe.
Okay.
Okay.
Janice!
Bless you.
Bless you!
You're sneezing a lot.
Do you have the Rona? Oh my gourd. It's a whole parade behind us. Duh.
Oh, there's a car. Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
Hey. Right here. In one signal.
What?
Oh, hello there.
Okay, one.
Oh, wow, that's new.
Is that a mask? No,
Yeah.
that's a mask.
That's not sanitary.
People keep on losing their masks, Deborah.
They can't go to my necky.
They can't go to my necky.
Oh, Riley. They sell pants.
One.
No,
Wait.
two.
Oh yeah, because of McDonald's.
It was a McCafe. You uncivilized swine.
I don't like coffee.
Neither do I. Actually, I do.
Yeah, you do. It's the pea water bottle. It's still there.
Still there.
Okay,
So,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7.
including the pea water bottle.
Oh. Is that pee? Walk away.
5. Wait, no, we were 8, 9, 10, 11,
11, 12,
12,
13.
14, 15, 16. That's a snick. No. 16, 17, 18, 19. Uh-oh! Plastic cup, Deborah! 18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
21,
21,
22,
22.
23,
Are those cigarettes? No, that's gum.
24.
Hey, it moved again!
I told you it grew legs and moved. 25. Round it out with a nice good old 25.
Welcome back, gamers! Number 25!
Depression!
Depression!
Depression had a
Oh, he waved!
The question is, how did the pressure really die? We have the version where we beat her with a cane. We have the version where she went to the barber shop.
She went to a barber shop?
Yeah.
When?
And Deborah gave her a haircut.
No, I just thought she had a bad ankle. And never made sure she never came back. Wow.
And then we have the version where she had a
Left
bad
behind.
ankle. And then
Where she
Deborah
was-
went and murdered her.
And then, no, with the help of flash drive.
Oh, yes.
Flash drive, man. No. She didn't wave. How dare she?
How dare.
We are your elders, young lady. Or are you even a lady?
What are you doing? I could not tell if that was a code or something else. Why were you holding it to your mouth, young man?
That was a woman.
That was a woman. That's a woman.
We're too good to be remembered.
Hey,
Child,
Rowan.
no.
That's Rowan.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gourd.
Rowan?
It was. Wow.
Aw.
Talk about a guest appearance. I'm able.
What have y'all been up to today?
Oh, well, we're going to walk the bridge downtown later.
I've just been watching anime.
I'm sorry?
I've just been watching anime.
What anime do you watch?
Hunter x Hunter.
Oh, that's in my coffee.
My favorite is
I get back to the I started watching that like last month. I'm watching it too now. I'm just watching it casually for fun. It's pretty cool.
Season 2 is my favorite.
I'm reading a lot.
So apparently I forgot my gift card.
You forgot your gift card?
It was on. I think it's on my beanbag.
Walking like a zombie, I'm going to be happy. I never went for magic. My uncle's over behind me. I like to movie town. So kiss me, baby, I choke. Even if they try to, they can't raise my life. Dang it, every day. I woke up feeling this way. And I can't help loving myself. And I don't need nobody else. Wow. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I was you. I wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. Boy toy. We need to publish that on Spotify. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I walk in like a darkness. I go straight to the light. I drive away from my dream. My uncle runs behind me. My life's a moving town. Woo! So bless me, baby, I too. Even if I try to, they can't relate like I do. I thank God every day. I woke up feeling this way. I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. Whoa! If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too.
Woo!
One time.
Here, what's another song we know? Oh, we could do Bohemian Rhapsody. Or we could do Flash Drive Man and One Hand Man.
Flash Drive Man and One Hand Man. Flash Drive Man and One Hand Man. Back at it again with Flash Drive Man.
Here, I got this.
With One Hand Man.
I got this, ready?
No. Flash Drive Man. Flash Drive Man. Flash Drive Man. One hand man. One hand man. One hand man. One hand man.
No!
One hand man. Flash Drive Man and One Hand Man. This is Flash Drive Man and with One Hand Man. Flash Drive Man, One Hand Man. Back at it again with another episode of Flash Drive Man and One Hand Man. Flash Drive Man, back at it again.
That's not what I was going for. I was going for boy toy. Yes.
Boy toy. And now the 100 dishes of pie. 3.14159. This is pi followed by 2653589 circumference over diameter. 7, 9, then 3, 2, 3. OMG! Can't you see? 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3. And now we're on a spree.
38 and 42. Now we're blow. Oh, who knew? 7,950 and then a 2. 88 and 41. So much fun. Now I run. 9, 7, 1, 6, 9, 3, 9, then 3, 7, 51. Halfway done. 058. Now don't be late. 209. Where's the 1? 7, 4. It's on the 4. Then 0, 5, 4, 5, 9. 2, 3. Oh, we gotta go. 7, 8. We can't wait. 1640628. We're almost near the end. Keep going. 62. We're getting through. 089 on time. 8628034. There's only a few more. 82. Then 53. 42. 11. 70 and 67. We're done. Was that fun? Learning random digits so that you can pick to your friends.
Boy toy. This is a boy toy production.
Oh, here we go.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want Janice to be dead. I want the pressure to die. Even though we all will like this, I think that she won't be happy because she will just be dead. And only for a minute, I want to run away
'cause I don't wanna be caught. And then this flashlight man,
He walked up to me and he said to me,
lately I've been thinking, I want you to die. I want you to be dead. Even though we all will like this,
I think that you should die. Where's that voice change?
I can't. I just can't. I need to have a high voice now. Oh, that's beautiful. I can't have a high voice. I can have a high voice. It's creepy. Well, your high voice is creepy.